come nyazi, go nyavre, how, eve, what, eme, where, diese, here, etene, there, onana, there, ete, this, onana, that, oina, no, ijo, yes, e, lie, orwe, lie, orwe, true, uzeme, truth, uzeme, walk, nya, walk, nya, run, dore, run, dore, stand, dikihe, stand, dikihe, sit, keria, keria, wait, here, here, shift, go, go. So this is different from go in English. This is go. Sleep, kieze, wake up, bama. Some people used to say bama or bama. So it depends. Talk, teme, ta, eme, teme. Speak, ta. Quiet, fo, fo. Look, ri, look, ri. See, ri, or rue, rue. Eat, re. So if you take note, this re is different from re. It is pronounced re. Food, emu, food, emu. Is different from emu. Food is pronounced emu, emu. Life, uzwazo, uzwazo. World, akpo, akpo. Ground, ụtọ, ụtọ. Up, elu, elu. So you see that the H kind of goes silent. So it's elu. Some people used to say ehru, but it's better you pronounce elu. Rain, oso, oso. Sun, uvo, uvo. Harmattan, uriri, uriri. Flood, owe, flood, owe, or evo. Season, ezi, ezi. Dry season, ezivo, ezivo. Rainy season, eziso. The dry season can also be called okpakpo, okpakpo. That is ezivo. While rainy season is eziso, eziso. Mud, oloho, or oluhu, oloho, or oluhu. Slippery, gura. This is mostly used for slippery ground. Say otona or gura. The ground is slippery. Gura. Fall, kie, fall, kie. Laugh, hue, hue, hue. Cry, vie, crying, ovie, ovie. Mourn, weary, weary. Morning, uwery, uwery. Tears, ilwi or ilovie. Shout, do, do. If you take note, this is different from do. This is do. It's just a little bit of change of tone. When you tell someone do, like sorry, it's different. The tone is different. This one is do. Shout, do. Noise, edo, edo. Light, elo, elo. Light or lamp, ukbe, ukbe. So this one too is different from ukbe, which is room, ukbe. But this one is ukbe, ukbe. Shine, lo, lo. Darkness, ebri or ebrebri. Clear, ve or veve. Mine, ome, ome. Yours, ora, ora. Theirs, orai, orai. Or, ori, ori. Ours, omai or omi. So take note, this is dialectical. The most common way how people use it. It's dialectical. Ours, omai or omi. His, orie, orie. His, rie. So depend on the context where you're using it. Rie. So thank you guys for always following this blog and learning. The more you follow, the more you learn, and the more you expand your vocabularies, the more you know how to converse in Isoko language. And we hope to see more of these recordings, pronunciation guide in Isoko language. Thank you. Thank you.